Alright, so we're about to do some wind testing. We have the keychain mini bic in a Kydex sheath, the Blazer 207 jet lighter, the IMCO Streamline, and the Zippo. First up is the bic. Lights pretty well, but blows out. Yeah, I mean, it's really not a high performance lighter in any sense of the word. Then we have the Blazer. Significantly more wind resistant, but can be blown out with a modest amount of air. Then we have the IMCO Streamline. Here, it's much more wind resistant than the bic. Pretty wind resistant, but a hard wind will blow it out. Finally, we have the Zippo. I just fueled it. So this guy can be blown out, but it is by far the most wind resistant lighter in my everyday carry selection.